Every cell in my body is filled with life-giving energy. I easily and joyfully take care of my health, choosing nutritious food and an active lifestyle. My body is my reliable and strong ally, and I am grateful for everything it does for me. I radiate a beauty that comes from within, reflecting my inner peace and self-love. I am constantly growing and becoming a better version of myself. I joyfully embrace new knowledge and experiences that help me grow. Every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger and wiser. I trust my intuition and boldly follow the path I have chosen, knowing that I am capable of everything I set my mind to. I am open to the flow of financial abundance entering my life. I am confident in my abilities and use them to achieve career success. My work brings me not only financial well-being, but also joy and satisfaction. I am worthy of prosperity, and I gratefully accept all the opportunities the universe provides me. I attract sincere, supportive, and loving relationships into my life. I value myself and my loved ones, and with each passing day, our bonds grow only stronger. I know how to listen and hear, show compassion, and share my love. My relationships are a source of happiness and inspiration for me and for others. My soul is an inexhaustible source of wisdom and light. I trust the universe and know that it always leads me on the right path. I find harmony and peace within myself, regardless of external circumstances. My connection to the world is growing deeper, and I feel like a part of something bigger and more beautiful.